Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. Today we're going to do a two-piece, a diptych, and it's going to be a split canvas. So it's going to be two colors on each canvas, and it's going to be one color up top and that same color at the bottom on the other canvas, and then vice versa. So it'll make sense once I get you down on the canvas. So let's get started. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is, as you can see, got two 10 by 20 canvases here. And what I'm gonna do is do split canvases. So you see this piece of wood here. This side of the wood, so I measured from this corner to this corner. So we're gonna have two smaller areas and then we're gonna have two larger areas coated. So these larger areas are going to be this wonderful teal green that I mixed myself. And by the way, spaghetti jars are great for mixing up paint because you can shake them, got plenty of room to make up big batches. So we're gonna do, the larger side is going to be this teal green. The smaller side is a peach color that I mixed up here. So that's gonna be nice. I did this canvas on some not gallery wrapped canvases. The gallery wrapped have the thicker sides, so I did it on a smaller one. Turned out pretty good. I'm going to change up the colors a little bit, but we're going to stick with the same bases. So, and then after that, we're going to use Amsterdam's Greenish Blue, a purple that I had a couple of paintings over the last few weeks that did not come out well, so I scraped them. Ended up with this very nice lavender color. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to use Pebeo Iridescent Green Yellow, Folkart Treasure Gold, Pebeo Iridescent Orange Yellow, and Amsterdam's Phthalo Green. I've been using Phthalo Green lately. It is a great color. I just love it. So I figured, why not stick it in this one? This is kind of like a pastel diptych is what we're doing today. So, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my phthalo, my mint greens down first. And actually, no, I'm going to, let's do that. And I gotta tell you, before getting this video going, I had one heck of a time trying to get these canvases leveled. I don't know why, but these small ones, not cute. For some reason, just not wanting to level out. All right. And then we're gonna do peach on this side. Not as much peach. Okay. Let's blow these out. All right, so let's go ahead and start putting the colors down. I've got the bases down the way I want them. Not perfectly straight lines, but that's okay. All right, start here. Greenish blue. possible. Iridescent green. That's a pretty color. Let's try this gold. So it's kind of like an Easter theme in colors. And I never even thought about it, honestly, until right now. Looks like the Easter bunny. All right. And phthalo green. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my smaller blower, since these are smaller canvases. Wipe off these tops, get dried paint in them. Let's torch. Go. All right, so let's use the itty bitty. All right. Definitely a good idea to use the smaller blow dryer because these are smaller canvases. All right. All right, this is gonna dry really nice. So what I need to do is get these edges fixed up. I really like these colors together. Go. The sides here. Nice. Good on this side. Good over here. All right. Okay, now let's play just a little bit on the composition here. That over there. Some green under there. liking this. Let's mess with the composition a little bit more. Okay, gonna leave this just the way it is. Gonna pop these air bubbles. This iridescent orange yellow is really standing out through here. You'll see it once I pull you down. I don't like this corner now. Let's put a little something here. Okay, that's better. There's a little too much purple on that side. This lavender color really takes over. All right. Last bubble pop. All right, I'll take you guys down, let you see what we got. Okay. So we got some cells. Got some really nice lacing here. Over here to this. Really came out nice on this side. All right. So once this dries, I will get it up on the wall and then we can see the dried result. Okay guys, we'll see you soon. Have a good weekend. Okay guys, here's the dried result. This really came out nice. Bring you in for a close-up. You can really see the shimmer from the iridescent colors. Got some nice cells. Really dried beautifully. Really liking this. This green and peach really play off of play well with each other. Okay guys, so that's it. I will be putting a coat of crystal resin on it and then it'll be ready to go for anybody who's interested. That's gonna do it for this piece. If you do like the piece, it is available. You can email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. Also, don't forget, you can leave me some likes and comments. Let me know what you think of the piece. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell. That'll let you know when I've got a new piece posted to my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, so we'll see you next time.